Michael, come.
Now, the election will hold so that the local government will become autonomous, so that the workers will be benefiting and they also get more employment from the local government. Because no one here in Rivers State is general language. It's no one language.
Wike has nothing to tell the youth in Rivers State. Election must show. It is him that we listen to. Election must show. I'm the street commander. Election must show. That's what I said. Nothing will happen. Wike has nothing to tell us. Election must show. I'm from Calabare, so election must show.
When I tell Wike making day in day, Rivers State in our state, I will know use fear grow for this state. In the rule, go Abuja, may remain for that place, so that may see him, they see us, they hear, so that everybody could do our thing.